Alright. Everything works, and this is how we launch it. Okay, you want to watch this thing scream? And the battery just conked out. Well, it's got a safety feature. It'll cut the juice and give you just enough to get home. So that's full throttle right now, and it's just enough to get me home. How far that is, I have no idea. Love the fun day in the water.